Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 211 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions and the answers, and there's a lot of them. And we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about the casino. Is it open while at port in Celebration Key? Can I bring a portable air purifier? How does Carnival decide what to name their ships? John, are your answers AI? And I can't get coffee with the Cheers package at Java Blue anymore?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know, is the casino on the boat open while they are docked in Celebration Key? John said, yes, indeed it is. What the hell did you just say? We've been there 3 times this year, and it was not open while we were in Celebration Key. So they have worked out something with the Bahamian government where apparently it's now open while they're docked in Celebration Key, which is pretty cool because if you're a relatively frequent cruiser, most of the stops have now included the Celebration Key because it's their newest island, which is really cool, by the way. I strongly recommend going there. Huge. Might want to go there twice. It took us twice or 3 times to actually tour the whole thing. It's great. But we're going there again, and we may or may not get off. But now that the casino's open, I don't think we're getting off. I'm just saying we're going to the casino. So pretty cool. So answer is now. It is open. The casino is open in Celebration Key. Love it, love it, love it. Cool. All right, question 2. This cruiser was wondering if a personal portable air purifier is allowed to be brought on the ship. They have asthma, and often cruising for some reason exacerbates it. I got that word right, but I couldn't figure out personal or port. Still can do it. Never mind. John said, yes, of course you can bring a air purifier with you. So if you want to get some fresher air in the cruise cabin and you like your air purifier, you can most certainly bring that with you. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser wanted to know, how does Carnival decide how to name their ships? It's a good question. John said they actually have a group of people they call the core team, and they get together to discuss it. As you can see from the latest names, they have been paying homage to the ships of old. Or did they just run out of ideas? I mean, personally, I like it. Now the last ones were the Mardi Gras, Celebration, Jubilee, and now the Festivale. So let's see what's next. I'm hoping it's the Destiny. That was their first massive ship, and that's our honeymoon ship, so it would be pretty cool. But that's how they name it. They have a group of people that get together, do little mind thingies, and figure it out. Question 4. This cruiser said, John, it seems like all of your answers are AI and you're not actually answering the questions. All right, that's really robotic, kind of shows my age. Sorry. John said, yes, he is artificial intelligent. And sometimes he talks out of his bot. But he said, cheers, mate. And to prove it, he said, if he was artificial intelligence, would he not say, why was Tigger's head in the toilet? Because he was looking for poo. I like that one. Last question. This cruiser said that there's been a lot of confusion regarding the Cheers package and getting coffee at Java Blue. People are saying that lattes, cappuccinos, and other specialty coffees are no longer included with the Cheers. John said those people are wrong. It's all included. Except in Australia, because people from Australia do frequent his page, and for some reason, I don't know why, the coffee package is not included in the Cheers package in Australia. So I think that's maybe where the confusion's coming and people just taking information going, oh my God, they took the coffee out of the Cheers package. If you're in Australia, they didn't have it. So coffee, stateside, most everywhere else, is absolutely included in the Cheers package. In the Australian market, for some reason, it's not, but that's the answer. Anyway, that's been episode 211 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.